Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best claw grip mice available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a competitive gamer or someone looking for the perfect ergonomic fit, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started with the countdown. Coming in at number 5, we have the Logitech Ergonomic Wireless Rechargeable Mouse. This product is a little different from the others on our list as it focuses on vertical ergonomics rather than hardcore gaming performance. Designed to alleviate wrist strain and carpal tunnel issues, this mouse incorporates a 58-degree vertical design that encourages a natural handshake posture. Its sleek, black finish and quiet click buttons make it an excellent choice for office settings or extended periods of use. Performance-wise, the Logitech mouse offers a 5-level adjustable DPI setting, maxing out at 4800 DPI. While this is lower than the other products in this lineup, it's still sufficient for non-competitive gaming, browsing, and productivity tasks. It's also highly versatile, featuring 3 connectivity options: Bluetooth 5.3, 2.4 GHz USB-A, and USB Type-C. The rechargeable battery is another bonus, delivering up to 3 months of use per charge, depending on your habits. However, some users may feel the lack of ultra-high DPI or advanced sensors limits its appeal for gaming enthusiasts. This mouse is ideal for professionals or casual users looking for a comfortable, quiet, and wireless solution. While it's not the best option for esports or high-speed gaming, the focus on ergonomics and multi-device compatibility makes it a solid, user-friendly choice. Pros include the vertical design, silent buttons, and multiple connectivity options, while cons are the lower DPI and lack of competitive gaming features. At number 4, we have the Logitech G403 LIGHTSPEED wireless gaming mouse. This mouse is a tried and true option in the gaming community, known for its reliability and performance. It's equipped with the Hero sensor, offering up to 12,000 DPI and 400 IPS for smooth and responsive tracking. The LIGHTSPEED wireless technology delivers a lag-free experience with a 1 millisecond report rate, making it ideal for competitive gaming. In terms of design, the G403 is compact and portable. Weighing in at 99 grams, it's heavier than most of the other options on this list, which might not appeal to ultra-lightweight mouse enthusiasts. However, the build quality is excellent, and its 6 programmable buttons and onboard memory allow for a customizable experience. The standout feature here is its exceptional battery life, 250 hours of use on a single AA battery, making it a fantastic choice for gamers who prioritize convenience and longevity. The Logitech G403 stands out for its affordability, reliability, and well-rounded performance. While it doesn't offer the ultra-lightweight design or cutting-edge sensors of higher-end models, it's a fantastic option for everyday gamers and those who want a dependable wireless mouse without breaking the bank. Pros include the long battery life, LIGHTSPEED wireless tech, and solid performance, while cons are the slightly heavier weight and lower DPI cap compared to premium models. Taking the number 3 spot is the Pulsar Gaming Gear's X2H wireless gaming mouse. This mouse is a standout in design and performance, weighing only 54 grams for an ultra-lightweight build. It has a high hump and narrow waist, which makes it perfect for claw grip users seeking stability and control. With a sleek black design and upgraded internal structure, the X2H not only looks premium, but also delivers a durable and satisfying user experience. Under the hood, this mouse is powered by the Pixart PAW3395 sensor, boasting a staggering 26,000 DPI, 650 IPS, and 50G acceleration. The optical switches provide fast and accurate responses, while the Pulsar Blue encoder ensures smooth scroll wheel rotations. With up to 90 hours of battery life and a 1 millisecond polling rate, this mouse offers top-tier performance for both competitive and casual gaming. The 4K polling rate compatibility adds future-proofing for gamers looking to stay ahead. The Pulsar X2H is an excellent choice for serious gamers who value precision and speed without compromising on comfort. However, its higher price point and high-performance features may be overkill for casual users. Pros include its ultra-lightweight design, advanced sensor, and great battery life. While cons are its premium price and niche appeal for claw grip or competitive gamers. Coming in at number 2 is the Lamzu Inca Gaming Mouse, a premium choice for claw grip gamers. Weighing just 40 grams, this mouse is designed for maximum control with minimal strain. Its symmetrical high hump design provides excellent support for claw grip users, while the PTFE skates ensure a smooth glide. The white finish and subtle design elements add a touch of elegance to its functional design. The Lamzu Inca is packed with advanced technology, including the PixArt PAW 3950 sensor, capable of up to 30,000 dpi and 750 IPS tracking speed. This ensures pinpoint accuracy for competitive gaming. The Nordic 52840 MCU enhances battery efficiency, and the 8K polling rate offers unparalleled responsiveness. The inclusion of an 8K dongle makes it future-proof for high-performance setups. The mouse also features customizable settings via the Lamzu Arira driver software, allowing users to fine-tune every aspect of performance. This mouse is ideal for competitive players who demand the best in precision and control. While its price and features might make it less appealing for casual gamers, its performance is hard to beat for those seeking a top-tier gaming mouse. Pros include the ultra-lightweight design, advanced sensor, and 8K polling rate, while cons are its high price and limited appeal to non-competitive users. And finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the ZOWIE HSK Plus Lite Wireless Fingertip Grip Gaming Mouse. This mouse is a marvel of engineering, weighing just 38 grams, making it the lightest, solid-shell wireless gaming mouse on the market. Its compact design is tailored specifically for fingertip and claw grip users, providing incredible precision and comfort during fast-paced gaming sessions. The HSK Plus Lite is powered by the cutting-edge PixArt PAW3395 sensor, offering 21,000 CPI, 500 IPS, and low-latency performance with a 1 millisecond response time. The Zippy 60M switches provide a crisp and durable clicking experience, while the customizable software allows you to tweak DPI, polling rate, lift-off distance, and more to suit your preferences. The symmetrical shape and ultra-lightweight build make it a standout choice for competitive gamers who prioritize speed and accuracy. What sets this mouse apart is its unparalleled combination of performance, weight, and design. It's perfect for esports players and enthusiasts who need a lightweight, high-precision tool to excel in their games. The only downside is its compact size, which might feel limiting for users with larger hands. Pros include its ultra-lightweight build, advanced sensor, and customizable features, while the cons are its niche design and relatively small dimensions. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect claw grip mouse for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which of these mice caught your eye, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll see you in the next one.